My question is کیا مستقبل میں اسلام میں کوئی اور بغی فرقے ہو سکتے ہیں؟
72 فرقے ہیں؟ That's right. So what is the question?
The question is کیا مستقبل میں اسلام میں کوئی اور بغی فرقے
ہو سکتے ہیں؟ ہاں میں سمجھ
ہو سکتے ہیں.
ٹھیک ہے ٹھیک ہے، ہو سکتے ہیں. کوئی دنیا میں چیز ایسی نہیں جس کی حفاظت کی ضمانت دی جا سکے. Everything which comes to be must ultimately die. Everything which comes to be constructed must decay ultimately. There is no guarantee against anything staying forever except God Himself. Islam got divided. Ahmadiyyat is only a servant of Islam. How could Ahmadiyyat be treated exceptionally by Allah? If Islam has got divided, Ahmadiyyat will also come to decay. Inshallah. But that will be the last. After that, there will be doomsday. Then the whole universe will be wiped out. So Ahmadiyyat is the last message of Islam, or last manifestation of Islam, which once it conquers the whole world, then when it is rejected, there will be decay, there will be other divisions, but then God would not again save them. They will be written off then. This is how we understand the Quranic message and that of the traditions.